Principles of Inheritance and Variations Part 9. In this video, you will be learning about genetic disorders. Broadly, genetic diseases can be grouped as Mendelian disorders and chromosomal disorders. Mendelian disorders are determined by the alteration or mutation in the single gene. These disorders are transmitted to the offspring following the pattern of Mendelian inheritance. Example: hemophilia, cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, color blindness, phenylketonuria. Chromosomal disorders are caused due to the absence or excess of chromosomal arrangement of one or more chromosomes. Example: Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, etc. Now let us look at some of the Mendelian disorders. First one is hemophilia. It's a sex-linked recessive disease which shows its transmission from unaffected carrier female to the male progeny. In this disease, a single protein involved along with a cascade of proteins in the blood clotting mechanism is affected. Individual will be bleeding non-stop even from a simple cut. Heterozygous female who are carriers transmit the disease to the sons. Females becoming hemophilic is extremely rare because mother of such a female has to be at least a carrier and a father hemophilic. Queen Victoria was a carrier of this disease. Sickle cell anemia. It is an autosome linked recessive trait that can be transmitted from parents to the offspring when both the partners are carriers for the gene. This is controlled by a single pair of the allele HBA-HBS. Out of the three possible genotypes HBA-HBA, HBA-HBS, HBS-HBS, only HBS-HBS individuals show disease phenotype. Heterozygous individuals appear apparently unaffected but are carriers of the disease. The defect is caused by the substitution of glutamic acid by valine at the sixth position of the beta globin chain of the hemoglobin molecule. The substitution occurs due to a single base substitution from GAG to GUG. The mutant hemoglobin molecule undergoes polymerization under low oxygen tension, causing a change in the shape of the RBC from a biconcave disc shape to sickle cell structure. Phenylketonuria is an inherited autosomal recessive trait. Affected individual lacks the enzyme that converts amino acids phenylalanine into tyrosine. Phenylalanine gets accumulated and gets converted into phenylpyruvic acid and other derivatives. Accumulation of these in the brain results in a mental retardation as these get excreted through urine because kidney does not absorb them. Now let us look at chromosomal disorders. So first one is the Down syndrome. Chromosomal disorders that arise due to failure of segregation of chromatids during cell division results in the gain or loss of chromosomes, and this is what is known as the aneuploidy. Chromosomal disorders that arise due to failure of cytokinesis after telophase stage of cell division results in an increase in the whole set of chromosomes in an organism, and it is known as polyploidy. If there is an additional copy of a chromosome, it is known as trisomy, and if there is a lack of any one of the pair of chromosomes, then it is known as monosomy. So let us look at Down syndrome. Presence of an additional copy of chromosome number, this is what we call it as trisomy of 21, results in Down syndrome. This was first described by Langdon Down in 1866. The affected individual is short-statured with small round head, furrowed tongue and partially open mouth. Palm is broad with characteristic palm crease. Individual's physical, psychomotor and motor development is retarded. In Klinefelter syndrome, it is due to additional copy of X chromosome resulting in XXY karyotype. Affected individuals will have masculine development with gynecomastia, that is the development of the breast, and these individuals are sterile. Turner syndrome is caused due to disappearance or absence of one of the X chromosome, that is exogenotype. Such females are sterile, ovary is rudimentary, and they lack secondary sexual characters.